Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy mice. In this video I'll show you how to download and install any Endorfy software. In the beginning, let's go to Endorfy website and next go to support. In support, go to software. Now you can select from sound devices, keyboards and mices. Find the mice, keyboard or sound device you've got, and on the back of this device you can find the model number. The model number is crucial because each device has its own software. Once you found the model number of your device, select it and download. Next, once you download it, you have to install the software. Your device will automatically pair with the software if it's connected to the PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.